go?
I think we went that way.
No, this is where, hey, this is where, if you go all the way to the right, it's hard. You want to go left and then pivot, remember? This is that pivot trail. I don't know if I did this with you guys.
No, I'd go to the right.
Hey, I took a video up top and I go, let's go, Lucky, on my phone.
I'd go right.
Go this way.
You go right, it's easier. No, it is, because you don't have to do no pivots.
Okay.
Aaron made it. Yeah, this is easier. A little more speed, bro. Hey! You fucking pussy. Liar!
Well, fuck, my foot peg off, man.
Hey, I need help. Yeah? Look at that mud sliding. I don't like that spot. No. No. Hey, look. Look at this mudslide. It's literally sliding down the mountain. You see that shit? Oh, yeah. Do it again. I almost made it. I was right there. Oh no, last time it fell off. Hey, Amazon, you're gonna have to buy me some new ones. OEM. No, the spring's there. It's just the adjusting bolt. It's not the spring, bud. It's not the spring. It's in there. Oh.
little tiny rock right here.
Yeah, the spring's there.
The spring's shot.
No, it's a bolt bottom.
Sure, you tell me you fix it, and then look. No.
Last time the pin fell out.
I can't believe it. I rode it and it didn't fall off the whole day when I rode it.
Yeah, as soon as I put it on the bike stand, boop.
Well, it fell right off. All right, you guys ready to head back to the truck? Or
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm stoked.
But we are close to the plane now.
Yeah, we just go that way and go left.
Yeah.
We can go check it out real quick and then call it a day. Let's go. You gotta just say sorry to the family for fucking.
Yeah, you do gotta apologize.
You do gotta.
Don't touch everything.
Yeah, don't touch nothing.
I touched everything.
Let's see how long this rock lasts.
No, that's it. Hey. Let's go, I told you.
You know we